Welcome to AP Workshops. Welcome to a little post that I'm going to put on our YouTube channel just to try and sort of generate a little bit of conversation. I've just come back from a trip into Birmingham city centre to go and get some anodising back. And basically everybody and their dog wanted to race me on this. You can see the dirt all over it just because it's that wintry time of year that we've got to, but everybody wanted to race me, and I'm trying to ride through the city centre and it's like at 50 miles an hour and it takes you all your self-control not to do it. So here's the question: too much for the road?